Manufacturing firms face unique challenges. While they often don't interface with the end customer directly, they are still subjected to the tides of customer demands. They are held accountable for quality and must retain their ability to pivot when necessary. Companies operating under a business-to-business model, like those in the manufacturing industry, still have clients to service. So how can manufacturing companies compete on service? Is it possible to use the contact center to identify problems in quality? How can they proactively communicate a need for a recall? And what happens when it's suddenly necessary to support a new product with seasoned staff? Well, today we'll discuss just that. My name is Erin Wilson, a Director of Solutions Consulting at Five9, and today I'd like to share how leading manufacturing firms are leveraging the Five9 Intelligent Cloud Contact Center platform to reduce cost, mitigate risk, and delight their customers. But first, let's grab a beer. A beer manufactured by Chimerical Canning, that is. Chimerical Canning, or CCAN, has been in the canned goods industry for years. They've survived because of their continued commitment to agility, which is part of the reason they chose Five9. Recently, CCAN launched a line of beers with active cultures. They are targeting the millennial crowd. And as a member of that cohort, let me just say, probiotics and alcohol in one can, genius. Meanwhile, back at the warehouse, boom, a can exploded. Hiss, another one sprung a leak. Something had to be done, so they called the manufacturer to report the issue. Mike, the agent, took the call. His first call about an exploding can, yet he was equipped to help. His manager had sent out a broadcast message earlier that day informing the team about similar incidents. But how is that possible? Well, this firm leverages Five9's speech analytics tool, which identified hot topics in an easy-to-consume visual manner. Quality assurance specialists noticed that phrases like explosion, leaking cans, and hissing were coming up on calls, and were able to investigate further. You see, these weren't phrases the system was told to listen for. These were topics the application intelligently identified and brought to the attention of staff proactively. As the staff reviewed the calls, they realized the issue was with the kombucha beer line. And by leveraging Five9's visualization tools, it became obvious the cans were only exploding in areas where the average temperature was above 75 degrees. The information was communicated up the chain, and the decision was made to initiate a recall. Using Five9's workflow automation tool, in conjunction with our outbound dialer, CCAN was able to proactively communicate the recall procedure throughout the distribution channel. But what about this canning line? It's a shame to waste such highly productive yeast. Someone over there agreed, because in light of recent circumstances, they saw this as an opportunity to pivot to the production of hand sanitizer instead. But hand sanitizer isn't a product that the contact center has ever supported before, so CCAN needed to train and enable the staff. Luckily, Five9 makes that easy too. They dedicated a phone number to this new product and configured Five9 to present agents with scripts, a screen pop, and worksheets that guided them through interactions about the sanitizer. Very empowering. So today, we've seen how Five9 helped this manufacturing firm save time by identifying trends in call topics quickly, reduce cost by using visualizations to identify the specific regions in need of a recall, and maintain service levels in their contact center, even after an unexpected pivot in the product line. Five9 knows manufacturing. Our team of experts help leading manufacturing firms deliver a more human experience every day. To learn more about what Five9 can do for your business, I invite you to check out the link below or contact your sales rep. Thanks for listening and have a wonderful day.